Dr. Foo Lee Lyn from Malaysia. I've been practicing as a general practitioner in Malaysia for now. I chose AAAM aesthetic training as compared to other institute is because of its credibility and its top renowned and highly prestigious global leader in aesthetic training, offering courses more than 30 countries worldwide. Well, I especially like the 90% hands-on training workshop that AAAM provides us, which provides us multiple opportunities to perform our hands-on training and procedures on the patient selected, and we have opportunity to do a proper evaluation on the patient as well as guided by professional trainers. I will definitely recommend AAAM aesthetic courses to all my friends and everyone out there because it is fully hands-on and you definitely enjoy the workshop provided by them.